I'm speaking with LaMarr Barnes, Vice President of Marketing for U.S. Water. LaMarr, I talked to you last year at the Orlando event. What's changed since last year?
Well, probably the biggest change is we were a private equity-backed company, and then this February we became a subsidiary of ALLETE Incorporated, which is a Duluth-based company. Their other major holding is Minnesota Power, a regulated utility. So now we're even closer linked to the power industry. That water energy nexus is why ALLETE decided to invest in the water space directly with U.S. Water.
All right, so that is a unique change now being based with a power company. Last year we also talked about the PhosZero
Yes.
program that you were rolling out. How did that turn out over the course of the past year?
It's been a great success for us. We're getting a lot of uptake with it. Just as you may recall, it's a technology that uses some alternative chemistries for cooling water. Phosphorus has been kind of the standard building block for cooling water chemistries for quite some time. But there are areas of the country where phosphorus discharge to the environment is being heavily regulated. Some areas like Wisconsin, new discharge permits are requiring essentially zero level of phosphorus in the water that can be discharged to the environment. And that puts a real pinch on our power customers and other industrial customers that would prefer to be discharging cooling water directly to the environment when it's allowed. So what we've developed is a completely phosphorus-free chemistry. We've labeled it PhosZero. The technology that is inside that chemistry is called E-FeX Technology, and that is the building block of two chemistries that perform both corrosion and scale protection in a cooling system with no phosphorus. And it's pretty unique in the industry.
All right, and you've seen that in action out in the field.
Yes.
Any preliminary results, you say?
We are getting some really great corrosion results on both mild steel and copper types of metals in power plants and other industrial facilities. We're getting a lot of great uptake in those geographies that are the most impacted by these phosphorus regulations, but we're seeing really good results. It's working very well.
Okay. Are there any new programs that you're rolling out this year that are unique or beneficial for the industry?
Yes, we're just commercializing something we call Smart Care for Membranes, and it's really built around some knowledge and some understanding of the way a membrane system like an RO is working. And we do that by taking data out of existing reverse osmosis PLC or by creating some new instrumentation so that we can get the right pressures and flows and information to calculate and trend over time the normalized permeate flow. And that gives us some real information about the health of the system. We can then target other services, cleaning services or off-site membrane cleaning to really not damage the membranes, to maintain the longest possible life of the membranes, but to maintain really good performance all the time. And it's really a whole suite of services and automation and data gathering equipment that all work together to kind of extend that life and optimize the operation of an RO.
Well, thanks a lot, LaMarr. I appreciate you taking the time to speak with me. This is Aaron Larson reporting from Las Vegas.